grab your popcorn. This ain't just another video, it's a cultural moment. Two names, two egos, one collision. We're diving into the volatile relationship between Xtra Money and the hybrid king himself, Akeem Supreme. How did these two titans collide? Why did it fall apart? And most importantly, Xtra Money, the self-proclaimed LeBron James of calisthenics. But what happens when the LeBron starts looking more like Iman Shumpert? We're also unpacking the steroid allegations surrounding Akeem Supreme. Is he a fake natural or just a genetic freak of nature? Let's get into it.
You know what it is? Talking about some pounds on my booty.
Then Gladiator School, let's talk about that.
Yeah, now this is healthy and extra.
Extra.
Extra,
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They come to my class. I didn't charge them. I show love.
Thanos, so somebody said you was like Thanos, right? I got the Thanos powers. I heard you was like Thanos. I heard he was like Thanos. I got the Thanos powers now.
I gotta understand, training with Akeem Supreme, bro, he's like Leonidas, bro. Leonidas! Like, he different. Like, that nigga's elite. Like, if you not, like, you gotta be elite to train with something. Like, you can't just be a regular person trying to work out for one day. Like, nah, like, you gotta be seasoned, like, well-groomed in this working out shit. Cause my son Akeem Supreme, he really built that. That's really, he fake like Thanos. I ain't gonna lie, he built like Thanos. Gangster, like, if he was to get all the Infinity Stones and snap, I think the world would end, bro. Cause son's different. Like, you see those bands right there? I ain't gonna lie, them shit's folding me. Like, that shit just, I couldn't even move my arms no more. Like, look, this the only time I've ever folded. I don't even fold like that, but with those bands, bro, hey, look, I can't even move no more. But if y'all gonna train with Akeem, man, make sure y'all niggas is ready. Make sure your shit up. Make sure you sturdy, man, for real. There's really no games. Hey.
It started with respect. Xtra Money reached out to Akeem to join his infamous Gladiator School, where warriors are forged through brutal hybrid routines. Akeem let him in for free. That's no small gesture. But respect is fragile in this game.
I show love. But it's different when you make new friends. Now you gotta feel like you against me.
Yeah. Gotcha.
They asked me for help. When I first met him, he didn't have no followers. Damn man probably had like 5,000. He was like, yo bro, I wanna link up with you. Couldn't do none of my routines. Barely. All they were doing, drinking C4s and couldn't keep up.
Akeem told Xtra he wasn't ready for Abu Asada. Xtra took it personal, felt like Akeem wasn't riding for New York. But Akeem Supreme doesn't play sides. He speaks truth, even when it cuts. Xtra's ego needed applause. Akeem's energy demands challenge. Buggy, Akeem's right hand, embraced that.
He pulled up to the park, and he was like, yo, shop, like, 21 muscle ups now. And I'm like, all right, bro, at first I'm like, what the fuck is this nigga? Like, you know what I'm saying? But I'm like, I'm with that. Like, I was here for 4 hours, but at the end of the day, once I showed him my foot for the 21, that's when he was like, nah, bro, I respect that.
Xtra didn't. And when Xtra clashed with Buggy, Akeem tried to squash it, but the damage was done. Xtra respected Akeem. You could tell. That's why it hurt. And suddenly, New York felt divided.
Okay.
No. Buggy and Xtra.
Oh.
They were used to be friends, or they was on a team together.
Gotcha. Oh, they were supposed to initially.
And they initially always been a back and forth.
Okay.
Now they got a little bit more popular, it's been a little bit more of an issue. So I'm like, yo, I guess they both had a little bit of fuss. I was like, yo, y'all both work out, battle against each other. Yo, I don't battle. I do my own thing, I do my content shit.
We came to amends, but I felt like it wasn't natural. Cause we had mad time to keep, like, you feel me? Amends at the gym, outside, like, but when I feel like he saw bro, yo, Buggy, I'm like, damn, you had to wait to bro talk to me, like, you could have been spoke to me, bro. Like, you feel me? You ain't have to wait to pray and be around. So I sparked it up. I keep it real because I feel like it wasn't genuine. So now I'm like, yo, I want to battle. But why I got so more mad when I did want to battle, bro, his team and him turned the whole Harlem against me, bro. Coming at me like, yo, leave them. They on battle, bro. Like, leave them alone, bro. Like, you keep acting on battle, they gonna keep telling you no. Oh yeah, go by. I'm seeing battles now. So it's like, why wouldn't I feel no type of way, bro? And you battling somebody we smoked.
And I ain't mad at that. Who can I be mad at? If you making his money off that shit, cool. You go to Baltimore, now you a super battler. I'm not mad at that either. Akeem, what's your opinion on it?
Opinion.
Yeah. I think you're gonna get cooked out there.
Yeah.
Not because I just think you never train in that circumstance. And then I asked the second question. You gonna wear the mask? He said, yeah. You're gonna lose. I don't care how your training is. Because you're putting on an image and you're blocking your airway. Now you may not agree with me feeling that way by saying that. End of the day, why do you think any of these athletes don't wear masks while they training?
Yeah.
Or if they do it, they do it only in training and not in competition.
Yeah.
We not gonna lie. This right here is him fresh. Nasty. You hear me? Nasty. This what you call LeBron? Nasty. When man can't do a clean pull-up, not no half recorded 2 reps. This is what happens when you don't know what you doing. Stick to taking pictures with rappers. Nasty work. Garbage.
Xtra's got the swag, the style, the magnetic pull. He could be the Allen Iverson of calisthenics if he battled more. But right now, he's leaning towards Iman Shumpert. Few battles, no wins. It seems he has more music industry connections than fitness industry connects. It's like Shumpert chasing rap instead of rings. Xtra's got potential, but potential fades if you don't leave a mark.
Them short screaming.
Fight.
Ain't no glory, cause some tight that shorts ain't got no.
Fight.
Oh, you mad now? You wanna
Fight.
It be niggas like him thinking I don't put in.
Hey!
Is Akeem Supreme natural, or is the hybrid king chemically enhanced? Let's talk facts. Akeem Supreme is an IFBB pro bodybuilder. Getting that card as a natural, that's like making the NBA under 6 feet tall. It's rare. When he battled Abu Asada, he was 240 pounds at around 8% body fat. A year later, 220 pounds, still shredded. That's a 20-pound muscle drop. Could be intentional, could be muscle atrophy, could be reduced PED use. What are some signs of a fake natural? Extreme size plus leanness year-round, rapid gains, and recovery speed. Based on his physique, it seems as he has torn his right bicep before. Either that or this is the result of training imbalances. Could he be on testosterone replacement therapy? Maybe. Or maybe he is just a genetic freak of nature. But let's be real, half the scene might be microdosing some type of SARMs or PEDs. So, to that I say, you decide.
The masked dude claiming to be the LeBron of calisthenics. What you think about that statement?
I mean, come on, man. LeBron? Everybody, I was once, did Kanye say in that song, you are what you think you are? Nah, but you delusional. He delusional. You good at talking, that's good. Exercising, no. Dunking, you're amazing at that. So whenever you ready, you come out, your midget costumes, let's get to this work. You can get it too, you know what I'm saying? Whenever you ready.
Forget reconciliation. We need a battle. Hybrid versus hybrid, ego versus ego. 2 New Yorkers. Xtra needs to drop a product, a program, something to monetize the moment. Even if he loses, the traffic would be insane. The calisthenics community needs this moment. The game needs this. Let's call for it. This ain't just about winning. It's about pushing the culture forward. And if done right, it'll break the internet. If you haven't watched it yet, go check out NYC Calisthenics Exposed. It's so electrifying, we got a call from the CEO of calisthenics himself. Now let's clear the air for the real ones and the rookies alike. Rip Wright didn't invent the Rip Stick, but the way he branded it, moved with it, and pushed it worldwide, you swear he carved it out of steel himself. That's legacy marketing. And Baki Will, the young calisthenic pit bull, he's not officially part of Team Rip Right. But the way Rip moves, the way he builds alliances, if you're not deep in the scene, you think half of NYC trains under his flag. Thanks for rocking with us.
Move the pounds, yeah, I'm really